Yo, what's up everybody? I'm with my mama and papa in Gdansk, but I'm gonna tell you like this. The weather is terrible right now. It's 4 degrees, maybe 2 degrees actually. I have a hoodie, I have a jacket, my mama have a hat, my papa have a hat, I have just this one, because basically it's very cold. Actually, it's very hard to even hold the camera in the hand. We're going to the old town in Gdansk, show you around, and then we're gonna end up in this place where is the mall, very normal, fancy mall in the downtown, central of downtown of Gdansk. So at the end of the video I'm gonna show you, but now we are going on this direction. So this is the mall here in Gdansk, in the downtown. As you can see, it's modern and everything. We're gonna come back here later because the situation is like this. I hope so it's not gonna be rain. That's why I wanna show you one more time a little bit of the old town behind the Golden Gate. That's how it's called. There's the old town, and there will be on the other side of the downtown. This is like Narodowy Bank Polski, which is the headquarters of the Polish bank, and then there is the fancy mall. So we're gonna come back, we're gonna do the loop for you today. As you can see, actually big city life, it's busy, and it's cold and it's busy at the same time, so it's cool. That's the one of the junctions here. Welcome to Gdansk. What I'm gonna tell you, different vibes. Whoa, look at the situation on the road. Trams, taxis, cars, buses, everything is here and more. Last time I parked behind this building, there's the parking lot. So today I will show you a little bit from different perspective. Here you go, crossing the street. When it's green, you go. But I'm gonna tell you, it's pretty busy today in Gdańsk. For this kind of weather, it's pretty busy. And somebody have a ram here. Louis, check this out. I told you as they importing the rams here for some reason. And this is the Golden Gate, as you can see, very historical city of Gdańsk. So this is old gate in Gdańsk, as you can see, one of the 4 of gates actually, and this is the parking area where I parked last time, summer here. There's the museum and stuff, and I think here is the Christmas market every year, but not yet, it's still October right now. And this is the entrance to the old town. And this is old town, so there's the one restaurant actually, everything is still open actually, you know, it's no difference, it's winter or not. I don't know what's going on here. There is some event today. There is the ambulance here or something. Something serious is going on. Last time when I was here wasn't like this one. So as you can see, there will be some exhibitions. That's the big city life, obviously. So will be a lot of things going on around. So this is it. The restaurants actually, because it's rainy and it's a little bit what I'm gonna tell you, cold, the vibe, it looks actually different. When I was here last time, there was actually beautiful, nice weather, but now it's cold, like really cold. But even it's cold, Gdańsk is Gdańsk, big city, gonna be busy, always. There's a city hall in the background, this is where we are heading now. There will be a lot of beautiful restaurants here actually. Well, maybe it's too cold to sit outside, but overall, it's cool. So this is the city hall, as you can see. My dad just told me check this out, this little alley here, because it's like nice view of the basilica. There's one church, looks actually cool. So you know, old town, but Gdańsk is very specific. It's big and it's actually pretty nice. But yeah, let's explore more. Going, there are so many restaurants. I'm just a little bit curious what's going on this event here today. It's Friday, by the way. There's so many restaurants. This is it. Oh, actually something is really going on there. Last time I had a coffee here, but all of the restaurant parts are gone here. This is the legendary Neptune fountain. As you can see, this is the city hall in the background, like this one. So many nice architecture here. And now it's some music, live performance. So as you can see, big city life, something is always going on. Not sure what though, but it's so loud. They're on the main gate to the old town actually, from the harbor front side. There are some souvenir stores here. This is like a very old architecture. Some basements, apartments on the top. This is Gdańsk. You can buy the magnets and stuff, but check this out. This bird is here. I think when I'm gonna get closer, they're gonna fly away. Oh, maybe not. Yeah. So cool. Alright, let's go. Let's see what's going on here. I gotta tell you guys, seriously, it's very, very cold today, and it's very hard even to hold the camera. But like I said, Damian from the Monkeys, me and Winnie in general, but especially me, guys, no matter what, whether it's beautiful, hot, or maybe it's cold, snowing, I will always go somewhere and make a video for you guys. At least since I still can handle it, I'll always do it for you guys. So I hope so you enjoy. Let's see the live music band here. Actually, they're preparing. There's something must to be here tomorrow, I guess, because tomorrow is Saturday. Something serious, but actually, maybe it's now. I will show you actually. So as you can see, live performance no matter of weather condition. They're wearing their big clothes, hats and everything and still have to perform. That's the life. No matter what weather we have in Europe, the life and show must go on. And the same is with the Monkeys YouTube channel. Either way, this is already the harbor front, and in my opinion, this is the most beautiful part of Gdansk. I will show you a little bit around, and you can see also a lot of tour groups and everything, and the school groups, even the school kids with the teachers coming out to learn about the history and everything. There's no issue with the weather, guys. Either way, you just wear like this one and you just have to go. What I'm gonna tell you, it's cold, you can complain, but show must go on. And you can find also very interesting restaurants, little restaurants like this one, which you face the river directly, actually the canal. And if you like extreme sitting like this one, you can do it here or on the other side actually as well. There will be the downtown. You can go more into that direction. I think we're gonna go there because there are some nice restaurants there. So like I said previously, actually, I don't know if you watch my videos, this is the Chinese restaurant, and there is continuation of the downtown and the old town actually, well, harbor front basically. But I'm gonna walk here actually. There are so many nice restaurants and the river and everything. So it's pretty cool. You can find a lot of cool places, and you see they are covered by glass, so you have a view like you're sitting outdoors, but it's just simply warm inside. And as the bonus, there is the fireplaces and stuff, so it's cool. And they are modern apartments here on the top of it. And this is like a hot chocolate place, the Wedel Polish chocolate actually, so it's cool. A lot of things. And of course, this side of the city right now is under the renovations, so next season probably gonna looks better, but recently this is it. Even it's cold, you can find a lot of people actually walking everywhere around. How cool is this? Okay, we can go actually more there or come back. You can go wherever you like. This bridge here actually, there are nice restaurants on the harbor front, a lot of Italian, American, whatever you want, Polish. And this bridge is actually moving. So last time I was walking on the other side, but the other side is totally under construction. And this one is the old harbor here actually. So it's also cool to show you. There's the museum, sea museum, and there are all the cruises here, actually ships, actually yachts, to be exact, yachts and the wooden old ships. And then there are hotels like Holiday Inn, perhaps. It's actually pretty cold, I'm gonna tell you. I think you guys know what is it, coffee o'clock. You're gonna find some coffee place here, actually nice. Still not too busy because it's like 2 p.m. But still busy actually, but not too busy and busy at the same time. It's just simply cold. And on the other side, actually there, I used to work on the bridge, but the bridge is actually gone. So you see 1 month later, and many things may change actually. So you see when you come next year, probably will be everything ready to watch and make a beautiful pictures. I'm gonna tell you coffee time, and check this out. Around everything, very nice place. Gonna show you a little bit around, especially when outside is my 4 degrees and here is like 20. So nice, and coffee here is nice as well. This is my cappuccino, and well, this is actually Black Forest cake, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, looks like this one. That's the Black Forest. My dad have also. My mama playing on the phone, something, checking pictures actually. What I she still can still make it. Oh yeah, very nice. And this one, the coffee. And Why, look like this, why my dad got the biggest piece of cake? Tata, dostałeś największy kawałek. Just dlatego, no wiecie co? No, so it's nice, and there's some other people, and then there is the bar and everything. I will show you a little bit the place, and outside also you can watch what's going on the old town. Actually, if you turn over, the cake looks even better like this one. Check this out. So cool, so smacznego. Oh my god, look at how many people is in the background. That's a really good coffee shop. That's the place, and that's the cakes selection actually. As you can see, we had this one, the forest one, but plenty of beautiful stuff here. The pralines, the cakes, the whole cakes here, and the pastries and everything. A lot of beautiful stuff. And that's the place inside. Also, that's the coffee machine barista. That's the stuff. Here we go. And plenty of sitting inside as well. My favorite shop, coffee shop, is called Cukiernia Sowa, which is the pasteurizer Sowa, which is old. And also more and more actually people coming here because of the run for the new life. That's the how it's called. One made by one of the foundations here, Pomor Jan Foundation from the North Poland, as you can see. And somewhere here there will be Cukiernia Sowa and coffee time. Summer is actually cold. And this is the main gate to Gdansk, Golden Gate. Well, I'm gonna tell you, coffee was nice, cake was really nice. Everybody are happy. I'm happy. My mama and papa happy. Even it's cold, but everybody are happy. And that was the old town and the harbor front. Now I'm gonna show you the Forum Gallery in Gdańsk. That's where we left the car. And that's the mall. Fancy mall, very nice looking mall. I'm gonna show you a little bit around. And hope so far you enjoy Gdańsk, because it's third biggest cities in Poland. It's really nice. It's really nice. And big city life, if you missed crowds, Gdańsk have it, guys. What I'm gonna tell you, look at this, how you cross the street. Looks busy. That's the mall, Forum Gallery. People going. That's the one of the biggest junction. The trams are going and everything. Whoa, what's going on here? Here we go. That's the thing. Whoa. Also people from all around the world, not only Polish people living in Gdańsk. So it's cool. Oh, have to be in rush. Quickly. And that's the mall, Forum. And the main roads going out of the city. Downtown, they make it actually pretty nice here, I'm gonna tell you guys. Really cool. So basically that's the entrance to the mall, the Forum Gallery, that's the name, Forum. Then there is Starbucks, in case if you like. And they make it cool actually. There are some soldiers here, down there. Ambulance is going, no, the police, the private one, I mean the police officers. But you see, if something is going on, they don't stuck in the traffic jam, if you know what I'm talking about. And that's the life here in Gdańsk. 360 degrees, middle of the week, bad weather, still busy, so cool. And the thing is end of October, bad weather, cold, gray, rainy it was, but still busy, you know, still the city is living. Now imagine you coming here during the summer holidays, like July or something, that's gonna be very busy. So that's life in Europe in general. I want to show you one more shot actually here, because this mall is bigger than I thought. A lot of is going on, and actually the one of the main entrance is behind me. So from this perspective is very nice view. That's in the background, that's the old town and the harbor front and everything, Market Square. That's the all the center, that's the mall. There is some lion, I think. At the front there is like a canal what is going just literally underground underneath of the mall. That's the mall, modern one, everything from the glass, from the everything. So not only old buildings are in Poland like there, but we also have a modern towns, modern cities, the cafes there, everything looks cool. I think there will be huge Christmas tree is under the construction for sure. The Christmas tree gonna be in middle of November in next 2-3 weeks. And that's the life. Actually, it's really cool in Gdańsk. That's like an institute of the cultural stuff. A lot of interesting and beautiful stuff here. Gdańsk is really nice place. That's inside the mall here, the Forum. Oh, that's the Apple store and everything. Everything is here actually. Also very nice modern mall. Everything nice ceiling. Everything very nice architecture going down up. Malls in Poland recently are actually really nice. I'm gonna tell you. Somewhere there I saw on the other wing the canal actually. What is really going underneath. That's the have to go up. A lot of cafes, a lot of shops. What I'm gonna tell you, everything is here actually. That's one of the shops with the perfumes and the bathroom stuff. Just wanted to come because there's beautiful, beautiful tree actually over here. A lot of nice stuffs here. And that's the main hall in the mall here. And I'm gonna tell you actually, as it's really, really nice. This is where I talked outside, like a nice glass wall. And you have so many stores, whatever you like. And there is actual real canal here going on, little bit like in Singapore. I'm gonna tell you actually, as I'm impressed with these malls. When I was living in Poland, it wasn't like that one, but this one is actually really, really cool. Almost feels like, well, maybe not gonna say like in Singapore, but it's close. It's cool, like in, well, malls definitely are nice here. Well, better than some other countries, worse than some others, but on the mid-level, definitely nice. A lot of it's going on as well, quite busy as well, not bad. So it's cool place. So that's the thing, that's the Gdansk. Hope so you enjoyed, showed you a little bit how does it look, the things here in the end of October. What I'm gonna tell you, each time I'm coming here, I'm impressed. I think I'm in general impressed what's going on in Poland recently. So that's it for now. I have 2 hours to go back to my parents' house. I'm with them today, a little bit more tired than me because obviously the age and everything, and it's cold. So thanks so much for watching today. I will see you tomorrow next one as always. See ya, take care.